Good afternoon, my name is Caroline Nyasi Kalongo. Today I'm going to take you through identification of tools and equipment. As you can see here, we have tool. This is thread, sewing thread, and also we have cutting scissors for cutting the fabrics, and also we have a tracing wheel. This is used to transfer patterns from paper to fabric, and also we have paper scissors, and here we have a tape measure. Also in our clothing workshop, we have an electrical sewing machine. Also, we have a manual machine. All these two machines are used to stitch our fabric. And also, we have an overlock machine. An overlock machine, it is used to stitch raw edges. Also, in our workshop, we have cabinets. These cabinets, we normally store our tools. In our workshop, we have a cutting table. We normally lay our fabric on the cutting table to cut all the patterns. In our workshop, we have a dressing room. This dressing room we are using to fit our garments, the finished garments. And that's all about our clothing construction workshop.